Yeah, my name is Zuraida Abdul Malek. You can call me Zuraida or Zur for short. I'm very happy and pleased to share that I just graduated from Master of Business Administration, MBA, from Edinburgh Business School of Heriot-Watt University, and I'm in class of 2025. Well, there's quite a number, to be honest, actually, in terms of the memorable moments. But for me, besides the campus itself, the lake, facing the campus, and of course, you have wonderful lecturers. I think the beautiful friendships that makes the difference. The interactions that I had with them, the exchange of insights, which were very meaningful because we come from various backgrounds, from various industries. So whenever we had interactions, either in class or off class, I would say it's very, very meaningful in the sense where we exchange thoughts, and ideas, from different backgrounds, like I mentioned earlier on. And for me, it added value for us, each other. It enriches, I believe, not just for them but for myself as well, in terms of my perspective, and the mindset that I have now. I think I've outgrown from this program and from those friendships, beautiful friendships, which I hope to maintain and continue for the rest of my life. I've been surveying around in terms of the MBA programs that I would like to enroll, and I came across Heriot-Watt University's EBS MBA program, which I've attended several programs first, because they had the CEO lecture talks and so on, and that made me attracted to continue and choose MBA with EBS with Heriot-Watt University. Yes, I managed to visit the UK campus, which is the main campus, and I visited two times. Yeah. So I visited last year and also this year. Very, very interesting and wholesome trip, I would say, throughout my visit there. And I managed, to experience different kind of leadership and visit, last year and this year. You see, and I got to see students from various countries. And again, I think when we have that kind of program where you have students from other countries and regions to join us, we get to exchange more ideas, more thoughts, more perspectives. Very, very, I would say, intense, and meaningful exchange, which I think is just not me. Whoever attended the visit program would definitely come back, to their own country and feel like, hey, this is something else, And for me, because I chose my MBA program here, so the visit to UK actually helped me to see and witness for myself the origins of Heriot-Watt itself. The history, the establishment, and the lecturers and the genius intellects, behind the MBA program who designed our courses and modules. I would say first, if I can go back again, is because of the courses, the modules that are being designed. It follows the latest insights and trends, and the latest practice of the industry. So I like, the fact that the courses and the modules are designed in a way that it makes us as relevant as possible. When we complete the program and when we apply it in our work or in our business, we bring practical knowledge, into our work itself. Which for me, in my case, since I'm running my own business, Zeta M Consulting, it really helps me to give, that insights, that strategy, and help with my customers, my clients, business directions, when it comes to helping them, to achieve to their next level of growth. I am a proud Heriot-Watt University graduate because Heriot-Watt University has helped me to make myself become the next best level of human. I am a paradigm shifter. My purpose is to lead ways for people to rethink assumptions, embrace new perspectives, and drive meaningful change for themselves and the world around them.